Binomial theorem. Question number 1. In the expansion of 1 minus 3x plus 3x square minus x cube whole power 2n, the middle term is. So here 1 minus 3x plus 3x square minus x cube whole power 2n. If we observe carefully, it is expansion of 1 minus x whole cube. So we write it 1 minus x whole cube whole power 2n. So it will become 1 minus x whole power 6n, and 6n is even number. So middle term will be 6n by 2 plus 1th term, that is 3n plus 1th term. So this is our answer. Consider next question. If the coefficient of x power r and x power r minus 1 in the expansion of 1 plus x power 51 are equal, then r equal to. So first we write general term. So tr plus 1 is given by ncr x power n minus r y power r. So here tr plus 1 and n is 51, cr and x is 1, so only x power r, because y equal to x here. Now, since coefficient of x power r and x power r minus 1 are equal, so we can say that 51 cr equal to 51 c r minus 5 are equal. Now, we apply formula ncr equal to nc n minus r. So here 51 will become 51c 51 minus r, means LHS will become 51c 51 minus r is equal to 51cr minus 5. So here we can equate 51 minus r and r minus 5. So 51 minus r equal to r minus 5, from where we get 56 equal to 2r or r equal to 28. Now consider next question. The middle term in expansion of 2x squared by 3 plus 3 upon 2x squared whole power 10 is equal to. So 2x squared upon 3 plus 3 upon 2x squared whole power 10. Here power is 10, which is even. So middle term will be 10 by 2 plus 1th term, that is 6th term. So we find system by applying formula of general term. General term is tr is 1 equal to ncr x power n minus r y power r, that is t5 plus 1 equal to 10c 5. Then first term 2x squared by 3 whole power 5, n minus r means 10 minus 5 times y power r, that 3 upon 2x squared whole power 5. So clearly 2x square and 2x square will cancel out, 3 will cancel out. So we will be left with t6 equal to 10c5, which is equal to factorial 10 divided by factorial 10 minus 5 factorial 5, and then we can evaluate it to get the answer, and answer will be 252. Let's see next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 says, if modulus x is less than 1, then coefficient of x power n in expansion of 1 plus x square plus dot 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 whole square is. So let's consider the solution. Here we are given 1 plus x square plus dot 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 whole square, and this term is expansion of 1 minus x power minus 1. So right, it has 1 minus x power minus 2. Now we apply formula 1 plus x power n is equal to 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 upon factorial 2 x square and so on. So what do we get? We get 1 plus 2x plus minus 2 into minus 3 upon factorial 2 times x square plus next term minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 4 upon factorial 3 x cube and so on. So what do we get? We get 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube and so on. So coefficient of x power n will be, if you observe carefully, here there is x square, then coefficient is 3, here this is x cube, then coefficient is 4. It means coefficient of x power n will be n plus 1. So that is our answer. Now let's consider question number 5. The coefficient of x power 5 in expansion of 1 plus 2x plus 3x square whole power minus 3 by 2 is. So 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus dot 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 whole power minus 3 by 2 can be written as this. We can write as we have seen in previous question, it is 1 minus x power minus 2 and whole power minus 3 by 2. From here we will get 2 will cancel out, so we will get 1 minus x cube. Since in expansion of 1 minus x whole cube, power of x will be 3, its maximum value. Here we have to find out the coefficient of x power 5, which will be absent in the expansion, hence answer will be 0. Question number 6. If x is greater than 0, then the first negative term in expansion of 1 plus x whole power 27 by 5 is. So here we write general term. So tr plus 1 is equal to ncr and x power r. So we can further write it as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 dot 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 till n minus r plus 1 divided by factorial r times x power r. Now, question says first negative term. If this term becomes negative, then whole thing will become negative. So condition is n minus r plus 1 should be less than 0, or n plus 1 should be less than r. In our question, n equal to 27 by 5 is 27 by 5 plus 1 is less than r, which means 32 by 5 is less than r. So it means r must be 7. Now let's see next question. Coefficient of middle term of binomial expansion of 1 plus a power x power 4 and 1 minus a x power 6, which are in forms of power of x, will be similar if a is. So here we are given 1 plus ax power 4. Since power is 4, so middle term will be 4 by 2 plus 1, that is third term. So t third we can find 2 plus 1 is 4c2 and 1 power 4 minus 2 and ax power 2, that is 4c2 a square x square. Now in second, 1 minus x power 6, here power is 6, so middle term will be 6 divided by 2 plus 1, that is fourth term. So 6 by 2 plus 1, that is fourth term. So we find t4, that is t3 plus 1 6c3 minus ax power 3. So it will become 6c3 minus a cube and x cube. Here in our question, it is given that the coefficients are equal, means this thing and this thing are equal. So we can say 4c2 a square equal to 6c3 minus a cube. We simplify. So factorial 4 divided by factorial 2 a square equal to factorial 6 by factorial 3 factorial 6 divided by factorial 3 times minus a cube. So we can simplify. So we get 3 by 10 a square equal to minus a cube, which implies a equal to minus 3 by 10, which is our answer. Thank you.